There it goes. Okay, so surface area pyramids. So that very first yellow shape, what's its base? What shape? The purple one, what's its shape? Oh? All right, and then what's its base? Square, right? And then the blue one is what base? Okay, so this one, do you know the name of this pyramid then? If its base is a triangle, what's the name of it? Natalie, do you know? Perfect. Guys, don't worry about writing this down. Just watch. So if we're naming it, this would be a triangular pyramid. What would it be, guys? Triangular. Say it again. What is it? Triangular. Okay, what about the purple one? Can I get a hand in there? What's the name of the shape of the purple? Okay, you ready? Skylar, what is it?
Square base.
It's a square base.
Pyramid.
Yeah, so it's a square pyramid. Guys, what is it?
Square pyramid.
Say it again. What is it?
Square pyramid.
Okay, next one. So I know the name of this one. Kaylee, do you know? Good work. She said hexagonal pyramid. Guys, what did she say? Oh my goodness. Oh, am I spelling it wrong? No. Hexagonal pyramid. Okay, back it up. Let's go to the triangular pyramid. Surface area is all about wrapping every single side. Do you have to wrap the bottom part too?
Yes.
Yes. So how many sides does this have? 4 sides to wrap. So triangular pyramid has how many sides to wrap?
4.
Okay, go to the square pyramid. How many sides? Are you sure? Okay, 5 sides to wrap. Be careful. What about the hexagonal pyramid? 7? How many are around this way?
6.
And then we've got the base, so 7 total. Thumbs up. Does that make sense to you? The great thing about pyramids is usually if you find one of these are called lateral faces, you know all the rest of them. Do you agree? Like looking at this triangle, will all the triangles be the same? Looking at this triangle, will all the triangles be the same? So there's lots to add up, but it's like adding the same thing over and over. You just gotta be careful, right? Okay, let's go through. Right here, this top of the pyramid is called what? If that's the vertex, what's this piece right here? Vertex, what's this one? This one? Okay, so you've got vertex down. This part, I'm gonna highlight it. What's this piece called? All right, that one's the base. Now this next part, again, I'm going to highlight it. From the vertex, whee, sliding down the pyramid, that's called what?
Slant height.
Why slant height and not just straight up height? How come, Michaela?
Because that's how you measure the side of the pyramid.
Totally. So we would measure the side of the pyramid. Guys, show me just height. Okay, change your height to slant. What does the word slant mean? Literally is on a slant, right? That's why it's called slant height. I like to think of it like I'm standing on the pyramid, I'm sliding down at a slant. So slant height of the pyramid, as long as it's not like blocky pieces, right, Shane? If it was smooth, it'd be great. Okay, this one, can you see this vocab word? This vocab word is talking about this entire part of the pyramid. Guys, what's this part called? Lateral face. So it's just the outside part of the pyramid. You okay with those vocab words? Okay, let's start putting them. Okay, so this part right here in red, what's this one called? Seriously, my brain always goes, wee, because I think I'm sliding down it. So slant height. What's the name of this altogether? Do you remember? Yay, it's a net. This is called a net. So they've stomped it out. How many triangles are there? 4 triangles. How many squares? Which one of those is the base? The squares or the triangles? Squares. So we've only got 1 to add up. So when we're doing surface area, you just have to add the base and then add all the lateral faces. We'll do this. Are you ready? Okay, our first shape. First, let's name it. You've got to write it down. Don't give it away yet. Look at it and name that pyramid. What kind of pyramid is it? Okay, are you ready to shout? Tell me, what is it?
Square pyramid.
Good job. All right, this is a square pyramid. So if it's a square pyramid, its base has to be what shape?
A square.
A square. Okay, I'm going to get you super organized on today's notes. On your notes, write down SA. What does SA stand for? Surface area. Underline it because that's our whole goal today. Now, how many sides do we have to wrap? 5. Again, I'm going to make you insanely organized. Write down a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make sure we cover all 5 sides. Okay, let's start with the base. The base is what shape? A square. The square is what by what? Okay, So come over here for our very first set. We're going to wrap. Let's do a 5 by 5, which is just 25. Not too bad. Now we have 4 more things to do. But it's going to be nice. Did you already realize it's going to be nice? Okay, the next shape we have to cover is a what? A triangle. Okay, on your notes, will you write this down so you don't forget? I'm going to put triangle area. The formula is BH, but don't forget to divide by 2. Write it on your notes. The area of a triangle, triangle's area, is BH divided by 2. Hand in the air. What's your B and what's your H in this picture then? Keely, go ahead. What is it? Yes, base height divided by 2. Perfect, Keely. So in the picture, what are the actual numbers? Max, what are they? 5 and 8. Are you ready? Go to number 2. So let's do 5 times 8. Divide by 2. Because you don't need your calculator. What's 5 times 8? 40. Divide by 2. 20. So this triangle is 20. What's this triangle going to be?
20.
What's this triangle going to be?
20.
What's this triangle going to be? So are you okay if we just write 20, 20, 20 for our 5 things? Okay, now what do you do for 5? Guys, again, you don't need your calculator. Watch. What's 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20? 80. What's 80 plus 25? There you go. You're done. That was super fast. And then you didn't like make a typo on your calculator. So surface area is 85 square inches. Where did I even get that? I am so sorry. What is this? Oh boy. No, 5 inches. How many people feel pretty good about that? Pretty good? Yeah? Okay, let's do another one. Are you ready? Your notes look fantastic. Okay, same procedure. First, name it. Don't tell us yet. Write it on your paper. Don't tell us yet. Write it on your paper. Oh, well, kind of. Oh, it does. Guys, what is it? Corbin, was that you? Corbin notices right there. Triangular pyramid. They gave away the name. All right, triangular pyramid. Be careful. How many sides do we have to cover? 4. So let's get organized. Let's put surface area, SA. We need to cover 4 things. Okay, the net is super helpful, but what if I take the net away? Can you do it without the net? Can you? Maybe. Okay, let's see if we can figure it out. Are you okay if we do the base first? Okay, the base is what shape? So here's the height, saying the height is 8.7. And then the base is what? I agree, here's the 10. So the base is a triangle. So on number 1, let's do 8.7, bless you, times 10, but don't forget to what? Divide by 2. If you want to write it again, triangle area is BH divided by 2. All right, I put equals to divide by 2. Okay, can I get a hand in there? Will you help me with this one? Okay, go ahead, Jack. What is it?
Oh, sorry, 1 sec.
You're okay. We can wait for it. You okay? All right, go ahead, Kirsten. 43.5. How many of you agree with that area? Okay, now let me erase on the triangle because sometimes I get confused if I don't have a net, so I have to be really careful. Okay, so we have to use the slant height, right? So what's the slant height on here? Okay, so we've got to use this for the slant height. So 14. Okay, do we use 8.7? Think of what we're trying to find. Let me highlight it. What color is going to show up nice and bright? Okay, we're trying to find the area of this lateral face, this triangle. So we've got our 14 right there. We need this piece. Do you see that? What is that piece? It's 10 because it's regular. All sides are equal. So for the next one, we've got to do 14 times 10 and then divide that by 2. I think you can do this one in your head too. What's 14 times 10? 140 divided by 2? Okay, now, which one of those is going to repeat and repeat? Okay, which one is going to repeat Kennedy, what do you think? Number 2. So this blue triangle is going to be the same as this part and this part, so let's just write down another 70 and another 70. Okay, calculators, you can use them. Start adding them up. Oh man, Camille, you already have it? What is it? 253.5. Look for the units, meters, squared. How many of you, once you're done, you've got the same as Camille? You agree? You okay with that one? You did fine without the net. Good job. Let's do another one. Okay, find the surface area of the regular pyramid. Nice one, now. What's the name of this one? You got it. Triangular pyramid. So how many sides do we have to wrap? I was showing you. Did you see it? All right, surface area. We've got to wrap 4 sides. Do you want to start with the base again?
Yeah.
All right, the base, I like to highlight stuff right here.
Students and teachers, can I have your attention?
Which 2 numbers am I going to use to find the area of the space? Jack, go ahead.
7.8 and 9.
Perfect. So we've got 7.8 times 9. Don't forget to what?
Divide by 2.
Why? Why divide by 2?
They're
It's a triangle. Triangle's half of, well, a parallelogram. Cut it in half. All right, does anybody have it yet? Alyssa, do you have it?
35.1.
0.1. Thanks, Alyssa. Okay, let me erase this. So we found the base. Now we've got to find the lateral face. This is where, if I don't highlight it, I always get tricked. Okay, there's a lateral face. If that's the lateral face, which 2 numbers are going to use? Cecily, go ahead. 10 and 9. Do you guys agree with her? Here's the 10 right here. I agree. And then this is going to be 9. I agree because here's the 9 right there. Thanks. 10 times 9. Don't forget to divide by 2. Guys, you got this. What's 10 times 9? And then 90 cut in half? Good work. Okay, which one of these is going to repeat and repeat? Skylar, what do you think? 45, because the lateral faces will all be the same. So 45, 45. Raise your hand, help me out. Or Tyler, what did you get? 170.1 yards squared. Tyler, thanks. Guys, how many got the same as Tyler? Sweet. Okay. Open up your notebooks to page 152. Go for it, go for it. Okay, so 152. Just what I want you to do first, number 1, how many sides do you have to cover? Okay, so everybody, write SA, surface area, cover 5 things. We don't want you to leave something off. You got it? Number 2, how many things do you have to cover? Okay, be careful with this one. So 4 things. Okay, you ready? You gotta flip the board. You ready for number 3? Number 3, how many things do you have to? 4? Are you sure? Which one is it? I heard 4 and 5. All right, 4 things for this one. All right, number 4. How many on number 4 do you have to cover, Kaylee? 7, because there's 6 around for the lateral faces and then 1 base. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I even fit it? 5. I'm gonna make it 6, 7. Okay, Skylar, this is your question. They already found the area of one of them for you. Do you see it? On number 4, which thing did they find? Did they find the lateral face or the base? They found the base. So the base right here, let's just copy it and put it right there. So number 1, already done. 439.1. Now you have to find the lateral faces. You have to find one of these triangles. Once you know one, it's super fantastic. Okay, good luck.